शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां दधाना हस्ते नैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिम् यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। Sir, would you like to do Parayana today?
It's me? Okay. Yeah, sure. I will correct me when needed.
Definitely.
Yeah.
That is my job.
Very kind of you. Shall I start, sir?
Yes, sir. Would you like to start? Because we are already at the 50th shloka.
Okay.
We'll start from 25
25. Okay.
here,
I'm
as you
going
can
there.
see.
Okay.
Here is the 25th shloka. So make it full screen.
Brataram.
Yes. No,
Okay.
not 25. This one, sir. Tam vrajantam priyo bhrata.
Okay. Tam rajantam priyo bhrata Lakshmano anujagamaha Snehadvinaya sampannaha Sumitranandavardhanaha Bhrataram dhaito bhratuhu Saubhratra manudarshayan Ramasya daitha bharya Nityam prana samahita जनकस्य कुले जाता देवमायेव निर्मिता सर्वलक्षणसम्पन्ना नारीणामुत्तमा वधूः सीताप्यनुगता रामं शशिनं रोहिणी यथा पौरैरनुगतो दूरं पित्रा दशरथेन च शृङ्गिबेरपुरे सूतं गङ्गाकूले व्यसर्जयत् गुहमासाद्य धर्मात्मा निषधाधिपतिं प्रियम्
निषादाधिपतिं प्रियम्
निषधाधिपतिं प्रियम्
दीर्घ सर
निषधाधिपतिं प्रियम्
निषादाधिपतिं
निषादाधिपतिं प्रियम्.
Sir, once again you are switching Alpa Prana and Mahaprana. So this is this is dha. You are pronouncing this as dha. So just a slight correction. It's just Nishadadhipatim Priyam.
Okay. Nishadadhipatim Priyam. Did I still make mistake?
It was almost there, sir. You just need to practice on it slightly. You are almost there.
Okay. We'll continue. Guhena sahito Ramo Lakshmanena cha Sitaya Te vanena vanam gatva Nadhi sthitva bahudakaha चित्रकूटमनुप्राप्य भरद्वाजस्य शासनात् रम्यमावसथं कृत्वा रममाणा वनेत्रयः देवगन्धर्व
Please continue, sir. You are reading so nicely. I am very impressed.
Your blessings. I am
Ayyo, I am a little kid. Rama's blessings only.
Yeah. देवगन्धर्वसङ्काशास्त्र देवगन्धर्वसङ्काशास्थ सङ्काश
Devagandharva Sankashaha. So what we do is we break it there. So either we can break it there. Tatra te nyavasan sukham. So if you break it there, this sa is actually a visarga, sir. The visarga became sa because of sandhi.
Okay.
So you just like you can read it as Devagandharva Sankashaha Tatra te nyavasan sukham. Either you can do that. Or if you are reading it quickly, you can say Devagandharva Sankashas Tatra te nyavasan sukham. So that is also possible. It depends on what kind of speed we are going at.
Yeah, I'm still in first year, so I'll go split.
Yes, sir. So you can break it here.
Yeah, Deva Gandharva Sankashaha Tatra Thenyava
Nyavasan Sukham. Nyavasan Sukham.
Nyavasan Sukham.
It's actually two words. It's actually two words. Nyavasan Sukham, two words. They just combine them together.
Oh, Nyavasukan,
Nyavasan. 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 They started living there. Vasati.
Nyavasan Sukham. Deva Gandharva Sankashaha Tatra te Nyavasukan.
Nyavasan Sukham.
Nyavasan Sukham. Nyavasan Sukham. Chitrakutam Gathe Rame Putra Shokaturasthatha Raja Dasharatha Swargam Jagama Vilupan Sutam
Vilapan Sutam
Raja Dasharatha Swargam Jagama Vilupan Sutam.
There is no lu, sir. We are saying Vilupan.
Oh, Vilapan Sutam.
Vilapa means to cry, right? That's what. Vilapan Sutam.
Okay. Vilapan Sutam.
So one more thing, one more small correction is you are saying Raja Dasharatha Swargam. Rather, this Visarga, because of the sa that is in front of it, this will also become a half sa.
Dasharathas.
Dasharathas.
Dasharathas Swargam. Okay. Okay. Got it. Raja Dasharathas Swargam Jagama Vilapan Sutam Bruthetu Tasmin Bharato Vashishta Pramukhai Vijayhi Niyujyamano Radhyaya Naichadrajham Mahabalaha Sajagama Vanam Viro Ramapada Prasadakaha Gatpatu Sumahatmanam Ramam Satya Parakramam Ayachadvrataram Ramam Aryabhava Puraskrithaha Tvameva Raja Dharmajna Iti Ramam Achobhravi Ramopi Paramodharaha Sumukhas Sumaha Yashaha Nachaichat Pituradeshadhrajyam Ramo Mahabalaha Paduke Chasya Rajyaya Nyasam Dhatva Punaha Nivartayamasa Tatho Bharatam Bharatagrajaha सकाममनवाप्यैव रामपादा उपस्पृशन् नन्दिग्रामे करोद्राज्यम् रामागमनकाङ्क्षय गते तु भरते श्रीमान् सत्यसन्धो जितेन्द्रियः
Thank you very much.
रामस्तु पुनः.
You stop here. Let us give some other stance.
Okay.
You
Okay.
sung very, very beautifully.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All your teachings. Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Just need to practice on some of these Alpa Prana and Mahaprana.
Yeah.
That's all. Everything else is fine.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
अन्ये कोऽपि पठितुम् इच्छन्ति वा? Does somebody else also want to read?
अहं पठामि महोदय.
आम् करोतु महोदय.
धन्यवादः. रामस्तु पुनरालक्ष्य नागरस्य जनस्य च तत्रागमनमेकाग्रो दण्डकान् प्रविवेशः प्रविश्यतु महारण्यं रामो राजीवलोचनः विराधं राक्षसं हत्वा शरभङ्गं ददर्शः सुतीक्ष्णं चाप्यगस्त्यं च अगस्त्यभ्रातरं तथा अगस्त्यवचनाच्चैव जग्राहैन्द्रं शरासनम् खड्गं च परमप्रीतस्तूणी चाक्षयसायकौ वसतस्तस्य रामस्य वने वनचरैः सह ऋषयोऽभ्यागमन् सर्वे वधायासुररक्षसां स तेषां प्रतिशुश्राव राक्षसानां तथा वने प्रतिज्ञातश्च रामेण वधः संयतिरक्षसाम् प्रतिज्ञातश्च रामेण वधः संयतिरक्षसाम् ऋषीणामग्निकल्पानां दण्डकारण्यवासिनां तेन तत्रैव वसता जनस्थाननिवासिनी विरूपिणी शूर्पणखा राक्षसी कामरूपिणी ततः शूर्पणखा वाक्यदुद्युक्तान्
सर्वराक्षसान्
ततः शूर्पणखा वाक्यादुद्युक्तान् सर्वराक्षसान् ततः शूर्पणखा वाक्यादुद्युक्तान् सर्वराक्षसान् खरं त्रिशिरसं चैव दूषणं चैव राक्षसम् निजघानरणे रामस्तेषां चैव पदानुगान् वने तस्मिन्निवसता जनस्थाननिवासिनां रक्षसां निहितान्यासन् सहस्राणि 14
निहितानि न निहतानि.
Oh, okay. Nihita. What is difference between nihitani and nihatani? Okay, nihatani. Nihatani is?
They are inside. Nihitam. Nihitam means that thing that is inside something else. Nihitam means something that has been hidden. Let's see quickly. Nihitam. Nihita. Nihita. Nested structure, embedded, etc. Nihita means the thing that is inside under.
Oh, dhanyawad.
So that is the meaning of nihita. So nihatani, killed. Hatani.
Okay,
nihatani.
Hatani. राक्षसां निहतान्यासन् सहस्राणि 14 रक्षसाम्. Okay, it's not rakshasam. रक्षसां निहतान्यासन् सहस्राणि 14
राक्षसान् निहतान्. See this This becomes nakara, not
Amma
makara.
na is going together. Okay, sandhi is there. Okay. Rakshasannihataन्यासन् सहस्राणि चतुर्दश. Was it right?
Yes, wonderful.
Okay. ततो ज्ञातिवधं श्रुत्वा रावणः क्रोधमूर्च्छितः सहायं वरयामास मारीचं नाम राक्षसम् वार्यमाणः सुबहुयशो मारीचेन स रावणः वार्यमाणः सुबहुयशो मारीचेन स रावणः न विरोधो बलवता क्षमो रावणतेन ते. Oh, what is the meaning? I missed it yesterday. Can you please just
Yeah.
summarize?
So what happened was, I think you are there till 49. This is where we stopped. Ravanaha krodhamurchitaha asam. Ravanaha kim krutavan? Ravanaha krodhamurchitaha सहायं वरयामास. सहायं स्वीकर्तुं प्रयत्नं कृतवान्. कस्य सहायं? मारीचं सहायं वरयामास. मारीचः कः? एकः राक्षसस्य नाम तत्. मारीचं नाम राक्षसं सहायं वरयामास. तदनन्तरं किमभवत्? वार्यमाणः सुबहुशो मारीचेन सह रावणः मारीचेन बहुशः वार्यमाणः आसन्. तस्य अर्थः किं? वार्यमाणः इत्युक्ते deterred. Like, Maricha asked Ravana, why are you doing this? Don't do it. In many ways, Maricha tries to stop Ravana, but he is unsuccessful in his attempts. Why? So yeah, it will come in the next shloka. Na virodho balavata क्षमो रावणतेन तेन मारीचेन रावणः बलवता विरोधः न क्षमः. He was unable to do virodha. Maricha was unable to do virodha of Ravana because Ravana was using a lot of force. He was like, no, you have to do it for me. Either I kill you or Rama kills you. Choose which is better. Maricha chose, I'll die in the hands of Rama than I'll die in your hands. So that's what happened. And then anadritya tu tadvakyam, he ignored that vakya. Ravanaha kalachodidaha. Kimartham? Why did he ignore it? He ignored it because saha kalachodidaha asam. He was he was motivated by, like, it was his time of doom, and hence he could not resist that. He was not able to heed the words of Maricha. In fact, this is one thing that is very, very prominent. If we, like, this is what I have heard from Pravachanas, where what happens is Ravana, one bad quality, the most worst quality that Ravana has is that he never listens to anybody else. Even when many people try to stop him, many people, like, not only Maricha, later when he takes Sita also, first Mandodari says, why are you bringing her? Don't bring her. Send her, like, take her back to Rama. Vibhishana says the same thing. When Hanuman comes, he also says the same. If you give back Sita, you will be at least left with prana. Rama will not kill you. You will get some siksha, definitely. But you will be left with pranas. You will be left alive. But no, he does not listen to that also. Later he wakes up Kumbhakarna. Even Kumbhakarna says, why are you doing this? Send her back. So that is what. Kimartham evam krutavan kalachoditaha ravanaha iti karanena evam krutavan. Because it was his time of death.
I hope Mahesh Mahodaya doesn't mind.
Hopefully this discussion is
Mahesh Mahodaya isn't you don't. Is it okay with you? Because I missed the class yesterday.
Oh yeah, definitely. It is reinforcing. Even listening this again, very much interested. Please.
Yeah, thank you.
Jagama saha ma richa. Sorry. जगाम सह मारीचः रावणः जगाम. He went. कुत्र जगाम? Where did he go? तस्याश्रम पदम तदा. He went to the outskirts of the ashrama. तस्य कस्य? रामस्य आश्रमस्य. He has made a house and he was living there. So there he went to the outskirts of that ashrama. Then tada tena ravanena no marichena mayavina, by the maricha mayavi, who is a maricha, who is the mayavi, what did he do? Duram apavaha, he took apavaha. Vaha means to go. Vahati, like water goes. Apavaha, to take somebody with you. Duram apavaha. Whom? Nrupatmajau. Nrupatmajau Ramalakshmanau Duram apavaha. They were taken far away by Maricha. And then what happened? Jahara bharyam Ramasya. Jahara. Haranam krutavan. Kaha Ravanaha. Kam bharyam. Kasya Ramasya bharyam Jahara. Ravana kidnapped Sita. And then what happened? As soon as he was taking her, Grudhram hatva Jatayusham. Not only did he kidnap her, he also killed the Jatayu, who is an eagle. Grudha means Grudhraha ityukte eagle. Hatva, he almost killed Jatayusha. Grudhrancha nihatam društva. And then Rama came back. When they are coming back, they saw Grudhramcha nihatam društva. Hratam Shrutva cha Maithilim. Shrutva, he also heard that Maithili has been Hruta. She has been kidnapped. Moreover, he also saw that this Jatayu, who fought for Sita and is almost at the brink of death, he only told him, Shrutva, from this Jatayu only, he heard that Maithili has been stolen. And then Raghavaha Shoka Santaptaha. He was completely filled with shoka. Santaptaha. Tapa means to heat. Santapa means nicely heat. Santaptaha means completely filled, Shoka Santaptaha. How do I don't know how to explain this better. Sanskrit is the best language for these kinds of words. Shoka Santaptaha means he was burning with shoka completely. Shoka Santattaha Vilalapa. He cried. Akulendriyaha, losing sense, losing control over his senses. He was not able to control. He was so overwhelmed with grief. Shoka Santaptaha Vilalapa. And then what happened? Tatastenaiva shokena, tena eva shokena, with that shoka itself, tataha, then tenaiva shokena, grudhram dagdva Jatayusham. He did Antyakriyas to Jatayu. And then what happened? Margamano vane Sita. Margamanaha vane Sita. Sita Margamana. They are trying to find Sita in the Vana. Rakshasam Sandadarshaha. While they were trying to find Sita in that Vana, they saw a Rakshasa. Rakshasam Sandadarshaha. Kidrusham Rakshasam. Kabandhan Nama Rakshasaha. Rupena Vikrutam Ghoradarshanam Rakshasam. So what kind of Rakshasa is this? The name is Kabandha. Tasya Rupam Kidrusham Asti. Tasya Rupam Vikrutam Evancha Ghoram. Darshane Ghoram Asti. Ghora Darshanam Vikrutam Rupam Kabandhasya Dadarsha. So they saw all of Dadarsha means.
What does Ghora mean? Ghora
means very, very, what is it called? Fear, fright-inducing. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it is fright-inducing. Ghora. Let's see. Fear-inducing.
I think in Kannada and Telugu it means the same then. Okay.
Not Gaura. Ghora.
Yeah, Kannada also same. Ghora.
Ghora. Scary. Horrible. These are the kinds of words we have. So terrible, as you can see. Violent. Terrible. Vehement. All these
Okay.
Tadrusham ghora darshanam viradham nama rakshasam sandadarsha. They saw while they were trying to search for Sita, they saw this Rakshasa. Then he tried to find, he tam nihatya, tam kabandham nihatya, having killed Kabandha, Mahabahu Ramaha, Dadaha, he did Antyakriya to this body of Kabandha, which was huge. Like the story goes that he was very, very, 10, 15 stories tall. He had huge, long arms, very, very long arms. He did not have a face, he only had a mouth. Nothing else on his face was there. And what he would do is he would just catch hold of any animal in his reach and throw it into his mouth. Tadrusham ghora rupam rakshasam hatva nihatya dadaha, he did the dahana of that Rakshasa's body. Swargatascha saha swargataha, he went to Swarga. While going to Swarga, that there is a Gandharva, I think. It's a Gandharva as far as I know. So it was a Gandharva who became this Rakshasa, and then saha cha asya kathayamasa, he started to tell. Kathayamasa means to start to tell. Shabarim dharmacharinim, Shabari is a very, very he is a great person who is always indulged herself in dharma acharana. Dharmacharinim Shramani means she is she is a sannyasi. Dharma nipunam, she is also one who is very, very knowledgeable regarding dharma. Nipuna, dharma nipunam abhigaccheti. Hey Rama, Shabarim abhigaccha iti uktava. So abhigaccha means go to her, meet her. Iti Raghavam kathayamasa. Saha kathayamasa. He told all the story. And then what happened? Shabarya pujitaha. When they met up, Shabari did puja of Rama. Samyak gramaha. Samyak, what kind of puja? Very nice puja. Samyak gramaha. Dasharathatmajaha pujitaha. He was done puja of Pampa tire Hanumata, at the tira of Pampa, Hanumata Sangataha Vanarenaha. So after meeting Hanuman, what did he do? He also called other Vanaras and they all met up. Hanumad Vachanachaiva, because of the words of Hanuman, Sugrivena Samagataha. Sugriva also came and met Rama. Sugrivaya chatat sarvam Sugrivaya chatat sarvam Shamsat Ramo Mahabalaha Shamsat. What is Shamsat? Sugrivena chatat sarvam Shamsat. Shamsat mean Sugrivena chatat sarvam Shamsat. Mahabalaha Ramaha.
Detailed. Last two.
Oh, detailed. Shamsat in detail. Oh, I think it is continuing into the next shloka. This is where we stopped. In fact, we did not even read this one. We stopped here, I think.
Correct.
Hamad vachanachaiva sugrivena samagataha. That's where we stopped. So, and then the story continues. Sugriva tells his sorrow that he has been kicked out of his own kingdom by Vali. And I think then the Vali is killed, etc., etc. It goes on. All right.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. Thank you.
It's already 10:10. If you are willing to continue, we can do it once more. Otherwise, we'll stop.
Maybe I'll complete the thing, then maybe.
Yes. You are reading from here, right? Where were you actually? I think you are here only. You have to continue from here.
Okay. Tena na virodho balavata kshamo I think the next sloka or
Oh,
Sahayam.
Okay. Continue.
न विरोधो बलवता क्षमो रावण तेन ते
न विरोधो बलवता क्षमो रावणतेन ते
न विरोधो बलवता क्षमो रावणतेन ते अनादृत्य तु तद्वाक्यं रावणः कालचोदितः जगाम सह
चाचः
मारीचस्तस्याश्रम
ब्रेक इट जगामसः मारीचः
ओके जगामसः मारीचः तस्याश्रमपदं तदा तेन मायाविना दूरमपवा ओके तेन
दूरम्
मायाविना दूरम् अपवाह्य नृपात्मजौ जहार भार्यान् रामस्य गृध्रं हत्वा जटायुषम् गृध्रं च निहतं दृष्ट्वा कृतां श्रुत्वा च मैथिलीं राघवः शोकसन्तप्तो विललापाकुलो
विललापाकुलेन्द्रियः अत्र पुनः राघवः शोकसन्तप्तो
राघवः शोकसन्तप्तो विललापाकुलेन्द्रियः ततस्तेनैव शोकेन गृध्रं दग्ध्वा जटायुषम् मार्गमाणो वने सीतां राक्षसं सन्ददर्शः कबन्धं नाम रूपेण विकृतं घोरदर्शनम् तन्निहत्य महाबाहुर्ददाह स्वर्गतश्च सः
So if you want to break it, this r is there, right? That is actually visarga. Tam nihatya mahabahuhu dadaha swargatascha saha. So if you want to break it, otherwise it's just one.
Okay. तन्निहत्य महाबाहुः ददाह स्वर्गतश्च सः स चास्य कथयामास शबरीं धर्मचारिणीं शमणीं धर्मनिपुणाम् अभिगच्छेति राघवम् सोऽभ्यगच्छन्महातेजाः शबरीं शत्रुसूदनः शबर्या पूजितः शबर्या पूजितः सम्यक् ग्रामे दशरथात्मजः was it okay
दशरथात्मजः
सम्यक् रामो okay sorry शबर्या पूजितः सम्यक् रामो दशरथात्मजः पम्पातीरे हनुमता सङ्गतो वानरेणः sorry पम्पातीरे हनुमता सङ्गतो वानरेणः हनुमद्वचनाच्चैव सुग्रीवेण समागतः सुग्रीवाय च तत्सर्वं शंसद्रामो महाबलः धन्यवादः
तावदेव धन्यवादाः बहु सम्यक् पठितवान् भवान्
धन्यवादः
Thank you very much, sir, for coming every day.
Thank you so much.
And giving me such a great opportunity.
It is for us to learn. This is the first time I'm reading this. So it's a great opportunity to learn from you.
I was actually thinking, so this is what I have in mind. If others are also willing, once this is over, we'll just continue with Ramayana. This is just the first sarga.
Yeah, it's blessings.
All right. And Sarvam Shri Parameshwararpanamastu. कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृतेः स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं च यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम धन्यवादाः
धन्यवादः